This video demonstrates the amount of bytes used to store different sized integer values. So let's start by importing the library sys, short for systems, and we're doing this so that we can use a function that exists in this library. Let's create an integer variable, call it myInt, and set it to some value, let's say 100. So now we can use that function inside the sys library. It's called getSizeOf, and pass in myInt. It'll return the size of the variable myInt. So we got 28. That means 28 bytes to hold the value 100. Now let's try something larger. Let's create a variable mylong and set it to 2 to the 50th power. We're going to use the same function from the sys library and pass in the variable mylong and see how large this variable is. Alright, so we got 32 bytes for the value 2 to the 50th power. Let's take it even further. Let's get the value of mylong and square it, and we'll store it back into the variable mylong. So let's see how much larger this variable is now after squaring it. So we'll use the function again, pass in mylong, and 40. So it takes 40 bytes to hold this really large value. So I'm a little curious. Let's see how large mylong is now. What's the value in mylong? Wow, that is a very large number. So it takes 40 bytes to hold this humongous number. So something interesting happened as well. We dynamically changed the value of mylong to the original value of mylong squared. Now Python did something very cool in the background. It changed the variable from a 32-byte integer to a 40-byte integer. This is something very unique. Not all programming languages can do, but it's definitely a really cool feature of the Python language.